To create an internal circle, click the Circle tool. Click inside the piece, and refine the position of the center of the circle relative to the nearest external grade point. Or, click a point along the external contour, then enter the X and Y coordinates to position the center of the circle from that point. When the center of the circle is set, freely move the mouse to set the size of the circle, then click. In the internal circle dialog, the size of the circle can be defined by either the diameter, meaning the distance across the circle, or the perimeter, meaning the distance around the circle. These fields are dynamic with each other. Set the mode to draw, cut, or none. If this is an opposite piece, meaning there is a left side and a right side, use the opposite piece's view setting to select whether the circle should appear on both sides, or only the left or right side. Click OK to finish creating the circle. Double-click to edit the circle, then click Apply to apply the changes.